Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely delicious fish curry recipe, and for this I have used salmon. It turns very good and tastes delicious with some hot rice or even a chapati. Let's see how to make it. The main ingredient for this fish curry is the dry red Kashmiri chilies. So here I have taken 8 to 10 of those. To that I have added 1/4 cup of coriander seeds. Soak them together for half an hour. Once the chilies have become a little soft and the coriander seeds are also a little smooth, we'll grind them to a fine paste. The bright red color of these Kashmiri chilies gives that vibrant color to our curry. In a pan, add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of cooking oil and 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Spread it through the pan. Once the oil is hot, add some hing. As it fries, add 1 medium onion and I have chopped it into small pieces. Fry the onions for a few seconds. Now I am adding 3 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Fry it well with the onions. We want to get rid of all the raw flavors from the ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Now add the freshly made Kashmiri chilies and coriander paste. Fry it well with the onions, ginger, garlic and coriander paste. You will need to keep stirring it for about 10 to 15 seconds on a medium flame. I have taken about 8 to 10 salmon fillets and I have cut them into small square pieces like these. Just drop them on the fried paste. Mix it really well. Coat all the fish pieces with the fried masala. Be very gentle as you do it since the fish is very delicate. Turn the flame to medium-low and cover and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open and check. Add half a cup of tamarind pulp and I soaked about a lemon-sized tamarind to get that pulp. Some salt to taste and give everything a really good mix. Turn the fish pieces so that they get cooked with the masala paste on the other side too. The Kashmiri chilies are high on the color and very mild on the spice level. Cover and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium-low flame. Meanwhile, grind a cup of fresh coconut with some water to a runny consistency like this. It's been cooking for about 2 minutes on medium-low flame. Let's open and check. Add the freshly made coconut paste. To this, now we'll add a cup of water and I've just washed my grinder attachment. Very gently give everything a really good mix. Make sure that you don't break the fish pieces. Cover and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, let's open and check. Notice that the curry has come to a boil. Give it a quick mix and it's ready. Go ahead and switch off the flame. Salmon curry with coconut and Kashmiri chilies is ready. Let's serve it. The tangy coconutty flavor of this curry is extremely delicious and it goes very well with some hot rice or even a chapati. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.